Good day to you, traders. Your cherry bomb is in for today, your final one of the week. And sorry I've missed a few days. Life happens. Anyway, let's get moving because I know, hey, you're ready for your weekend. We're looking at hitting IWM today. And if you've been with this channel long enough, you may recall that I used to refer to this underlying as the ATM, because it used to just pay out regularly. It was nice. Let's see if we can keep up that same vibe. So IWM has a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4. It is the ETF that tracks the Russell Index, and the Russell futures are up over 0.3% overnight. Has an IV rank of 11, and we are therefore looking at a long put vertical. Some debit spread time. Give it some opportunity to drop. It does look like it's been hugging the upper Bollinger Band, but then again, so have most of the major U.S. indices. It just, boggles the mind. When is the correction going to happen? Yeah, and then if we can ride it a little bit down and then hit the bottom band and then get bullish, right? Boy, there are definitely clear indications as to what happens when it hits the bottom band, but the upper band, not as reliable. So this may not work out for us. Anyway, let's get cracking, shall we? Hi, everybody. My name is Neil, and this is option 3. I'm in the bottom left corner. And over there, you can see the positions that we currently have on. SPX will be a total loser. It was a debit spread. Oh, well, that happens sometimes. We manage our winners, so we don't have a lot of winners on right now. Yeah, so let's get moving on this chart. Let's take a quick look at the IWM. We can see it's at that upper band, and we can see what I meant here by hitting that bottom band. Boy, it hits the bottom band, and you can almost guarantee you're going to have an up move, right? So hitting the top band, though, isn't always as reliable, but it seems to be more reliable here than it does if you look at the SPY charts. So, all right, it hit, but it didn't come down. It's hitting again. Maybe now it's time for that. So, quick look, as I said here, the Russell indices up over almost 0.4% right now overnight. So, here we go. Analyze, add simulated trade. October 15th weeklies, 42 days to expiration. We're going to be buying the 231 put, and we're going to be selling the 229 put. That's that trade here. We have one contract because that's the size that we'd like. The width, of course, is $2. Paying almost $1. We'll call it $1. So risk one to make one. That's nice. Let's take a look at the risk profile to understand what we're looking at here probability-wise at expiration. And here that is. We've got the date in the top right set to October 16th, which matches the date we see in blue here. We've got our price slice set to break even at expiration. We're looking at a 52, almost 53% probability of profit at expiration. But we want to know about our P50, because looking to manage this at 50% of the max profit. And I've got the same trade dialed in here in Tastyworks. And there it is. Our P50 is a 68%. So that's good. 68% probability of us being able to take $50 off in the next 42 days. That sounds good to me because lots of little wins add up over time, right? Going to go ahead and right click this trade, choose confirm and send while I click this little button here. So now you can see this window. And that is what we said before. We could lose the $94 we're paying for this trade if Russell or the IWM should move in the direction we'd like. We could make a maximum of $106. But realistically, we'd be looking to manage that if we got to about $50 of profit. Yeah, that's that. I'm going to throw it into my margin account, hit send, go back to the full screen so it's a little easier to see, maybe if you're watching on your mobile devices. Love to know, hear from you in the comments, by the way. Thank you for watching this far into the video. If you have any thoughts on this trade or just want to say hi, it's always nice to hear from you guys. I have recently crossed the 600 subscriber mark, so it is wonderful that you're joining me. Wonderful when you share any of my videos you think people would like. Thank you so much for all of your views. And I hope to get back to more regular videos. That's just, this puppy is kicking my butt, let me tell you. And not having a washing machine that works in the house is, that's new. That's a pain. All right, that's my life. Anyway, hope your life is great. And we'll see you next week, everybody. Until then, may the market be with you.